Hi, this is Swami. This topic name is unit rate calculations. So first 4 or 5 slides I'm going to explain how to calculate unit rate. The remaining slides my voice will not be there, but the video will be continuing. You had to take a pen, paper and try to solve the questions. Okay, if you have any doubts you can go back of the video and play again to clarify doubts. Finding unit rate. The unit rate is the rate for 1 unit of a given quantity. 1 unit of a given quantity. They give the quantity and we had to find for 1 unit. Or we can say per unit. Let's see this one. The students will use unit rate to compare quantities in real life situations. Students will use vocabulary relating to rates like per and for every. There's a small question for you. Clay can mow 3 lawns in 2 hours. If Clay takes the same time to mow each lawn, how long does it take him to mow one lawn? Write a sentence. See, they gave 3 lawns are given. 2 hours is taking to do one lawn. How much time does it take? So here what unit we want to calculate. They are given the lawn and number of hours. We have to calculate the time. Okay, that is very important. Time you have to calculate. Okay, then how to find out? The time we have to divide. The 2 hours you have to divide for 3 lawns. Simple logic. Okay, first you have to learn the logic. The for each lawn, right? Each lawn how many hours is taking? Now if you see the numbers, 3 lawns, 2 hours. That means each lawn is taking less than an hour. Each lawn is taking less than an hour. That is the logic you have to find. You have to, while reading the question itself, it is understood that it takes less than an hour. Then less than 1 hour we calculate in terms of minutes. Understand? Minutes. So 1 hour 60 minutes, 2 hours 60, add again 60, 120 minutes. So 120 minutes, if you divide it by 3, we get 1 lawn time. Okay, just I am explaining you the process, how we have to think. Okay, let us move. Hint, convert the time for hours to minutes. Why we have to convert? Because 2 hours is doing 3 lawns and we need 1 lawn. So 1 lawn takes less than 1 hour. The 1 hour conversion we are using minutes. Then we will use unit rate to solve this question. So 1 hour 60 minutes, 2 hours 120 minutes. And remember we need time to mow 1 lawn. So 120 minutes divided by 3, that means 120 we had to divide into 3 parts. So each part takes 40 minutes. So what is your answer? 40 minutes it takes to mow 1 lawn. What is the use of this one? Okay, we can compare. We can come to a decision. Understand? So it is general thing, to 1 lawn it takes 40 minutes and you have some time. You have only 20 minutes. Can you do it? No, you cannot do it. If I have only 20 minutes and after that I have to go to school, in 20 minutes can I do the 1 lawn? No, I cannot do it. So stop it. Do it after coming from school. So decision making also done. That is the advantage of calculating unit rate. One is we can compare. Second one is we can make a decision to do it or not to do it, to buy or not to buy, okay, to go or not to go. All these things comes under decision making. Fine. So you have to watch the video. Okay, the video is here about famous Olympic gold medalist is Usain Bolt. So just you watch the video and try to answer these questions. All the answers are there in this video. I think it's a 2 minutes video, but I'm going with the answers here and you can cross check it. Understand? So how fast does Usain run the 100-meter sprint? In 9.58. Next question is it seconds or minutes or hours? Seconds. Here very important thing is seconds. The seconds are your units. Understand? How many meters? After 70 meters. He is from Jamaica. Now, using this one, we have to write a fraction. Write a rate in fraction form. 100 meters divided by 9.58 seconds. That means what are we calculating? We are calculating in 1 second how many meters he ran. Understand? If we are dividing by seconds, that means in 1 second how many meters he ran. They simplify to write as a unit rate. Hold up, how can we simplify this rate? What do we have to do? Okay, to find the unit rate, what are to do it? Set up your ratio in fraction from the labels, the item or quantity you are looking to find the unit rate for should be denominator. So if I want the unit, that unit should be in the denominator. Here the units are our seconds. So how many seconds? 1 second, how many meters? Okay. Then we got 10.44. That is the answer. The unit rate and denominator of 1. Then 100 meters divided by 9.58 seconds. Then you got 10.44 meters per second. Understand why we have calculated this one? The Usain Bolt can run in 1 second 10.44 meters. If he run for 15 seconds, how many meters can he run? We can compare and calculate. Okay, right. So let's find the unit rate of each real world situation. You went to grocery store and buy 5 pounds of apples for $8.40. $8.40 for 5 pounds. Now, what I have to calculate? There are two things. For 1 pound, how many dollars I have to pay? Or, what is the rate per dollar? Now, we'll see. 8.40 divided by pounds, because we need pound. 1 pound, how many dollars? So, if you divide, I'm getting $1.68 per pound. Understand? If you buy 10 pounds, how much it is? What we have to do? 1.68 times 10 pounds, that is $16.8 we have to pay to buy 10 pounds of apples. Comparing decision making. Okay. So can you pay $1.68 per pound of apples? One more question. So please read the question and find the unit rate. First we had to write the fraction. Michelle is a computer programmer who designs video games. She works 30 hours each week and makes 2,535. So what we have to calculate? How much she earned per 1 hour? 1 hour, because she worked 30 hours and she made 2,535. If she works 1 hour, how much can she? Okay, see, per hour I want, so divided by hours. Understand? Per pound you need in the previous question, so divided by 5 pounds. Understand? Usain Bolt example, per second we want, so 100 meters divided by 9.58 seconds we have taken. So it takes 84.50 per hour. Oh, it sounds good. 1 hour, 84.50 per hour. So you need to write the sentence, you need to write the fraction, then the entire problem comes to an end. Then Cameron has two job offers as a camp counselor. At the YMCA, he will be paid 90 for working 8 hours. At the school's day campus, he'll be paid $78 for working 6.5 hours. Now, which one he has to select? YMCA or the school's day campus? The number of hours working is different. In YMCA, he has to work 8 hours. I will get 90. In the day camp, his duty is only for 6.5 hours and they're paying $78. Now we need to calculate per unit, that means per hour, how much they are paying. If you are going to work, we need high pay, okay? Whoever pays a decent amount or high amount, I'm going to join that office. So I need per hour how much I am earning. So you'll see the YMCA. YMCA 8 hours, that means 90 divided by 8 hours, it comes 11.25 per hour. In YMCA, if he is working, he can make $11.25 per hour. But in the job day school or day camp, he can make $12 per hour. Now, Aman should choose the school job because he'll make $12 per hour, which is $0.75 more than the YMCA. So everyone wants to work less time, more money. Always remember, less time then more money. Another question is given. Mariah is a clothing designer and needs to buy a lot buttons to make her clothes. The following shows button advertisements from two different stores. Bottom R-ups and bottom ups are given. 55 buttons, they charge 5.50. 140 buttons, 12.60. Now, what I have to find out? I have to find out one button price, isn't it? So that I can decide which one is the best offer. The first one is 55 buttons for $5.50. How to find out one button price? That is 5.50 divided by 55 buttons. So I can find out one button price. The other one is 12.60 divided by 140, then you'll get one button price. Understand? Yes. The unit rate for button are unit rate from bottom up. And which store do you think Mariah should buy butts from? The answer goes like this. One button for R-ups, that is 0.10 per button, that means 10 cents. The other one is 0.09 per button, so less than 10 cents. So what is your answer? Where I had to buy? I had to buy whoever charges less. Understand? I'll go with 0.09. Okay. Remember, when we are spending, we had to spend less. When we are earning, we had to earn more. In previous question, we took more earnings, $12 per hour we joined. Here we had to join only to buy only the less price. See the next advanced question. Decided to use button up company. Remember, she found the unit rate as 0.09 per button. That means one button price. How much would it cost her to buy 500 buttons? Oh, easy, right? For one button, 0.09, then for 500, how much? What we have to do? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? Huh? Yes, we have to multiply because we know one unit price and we had to find out 500 buttons price. Simply multiply. So it comes $45. Okay, now you have some practice questions. Here I am going to stop my voice. In between I may talk little bit. Please read each question and try to solve it on piece of paper and take a photo and upload in the Schoology. Then start reading the question one by one and write the answers on a piece of paper. Start writing answers on a piece of paper, and please do remember that paper you have to submit to me. Understand? You have to submit that paper by taking a photo. Just you can take photo and submit to me. The best thing is you can pause it and do it. Okay, that's better. I'm continuing the video. Answers are here. You can pause it, read the question, answer it. Okay, once you complete question number 7 and 8 A, B, C, pause it and do it. Now I'm moving on next slide. The answer is here. Please check your answers and let me know how many are correct.